Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting your collection. Make a quick backup to an external drive or runtime machine. Next, open Photos and confirm iCloud Photos and optimize Mac storage settings so you know where originals live. Once done, plug in your iPhone or SD card and choose File Import. Pick folders or individual images. You should import now rather than later to avoid duplicates, because immediate import ensures metadata and timestamps are preserved for later organization. You now tidy and improve images. Create albums and smart albums to group shots by date, location, or keyword so you can find them later. Tag faces to speed search. Edit selectively. Adjust exposure, color, crop, and use the repair and red eye tools. Edits in photos are non-destructive so you can revert. If you need other formats, export with File Export and pick JPEG or Original Hike, set size and metadata. Once done, this keeps your library consistent across devices. Finish by syncing and verifying. Make sure iCloud Photos shows a completed sync so changes appear on all devices. If you need local copies, disable Optimize Mac storage temporarily. Verify by checking the same images on your iPhone or iCloud. Free space by removing duplicates and emptying recently deleted. If photos don't update or you see missing items, quit Photos and relaunch holding Option and Command to run the repair library. That rebuilds the database and often resolves sync or index errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.